Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel and welcome back to our Korean vocabulary by alphabet series. In this video, we are diving into some must-know Korean words that start with the consonant K. Now we have already learned a lot of Korean words beginning with various different Korean alphabets like Kyok, Nien, Miem, Piep, Tigit, all of them. So if you have not watched all those videos in which we learned Korean words beginning with different Korean alphabets, then please go and watch them. I'll share the link of the complete playlist consisting of all these videos in the description so that it becomes easy for you to have an access to all those videos. Now, one more important thing. Why is learning vocabulary in Korean language so important? First is if you are appearing for topic, the test in proficiency of Korean language, then it is very important for you to have a hold on the Korean vocabulary. And secondly, if you are just starting out or if you're brushing up your Korean vocab, then also it becomes very important for you to go through all these vocabulary videos because undoubtedly they are going to be really helpful for you to build up your vocabulary in this language. Okay? Now, as I said, in this video, we are going to learn Korean words that begin with Kiek. So, without wasting any time, let's begin. Now, before we go ahead, here is a very important note that I want to share with you all. You might notice in the video that there are only a few native Korean words that start with the consonant K. That's because in native Korean vocabulary, words starting with K are relatively rare. There is a reason, there are some rules, but in this video, I'm not going to discuss why is this happening, why there are only a few words that begin with Kyug in the native Korean language. We're not going to learn or focus on that thing. Right now, our focus is learning the vocabulary. So, what I mean is that native Korean words that begin with Kyug, they are very rare. Most of the commonly used words with Kyug are loan words, the words that are borrowed from English language or any other foreign language. These loan words are adapted to Korean pronunciation and spelling, which is why you'll see most of the words in this video are loan words. Okay, so as we already know that we are going to see only a few native Korean words and a lot of loan words, keep this thing in mind. And now let's go ahead with our video. Here comes the first word, that is the Korean word for knife. 칼, 칼. Height, 키, 키. Elephant, 코끼리, 코끼리. Bean, 콩, 콩. Rhinoceros, 코뿔소, 코뿔소. Nose, 코, 코. Now let's begin with the loan words that begin with the letter K. Cafe, 카페, 카페. Cake, 케이크, 케이크. Concert, 콘서트, 콘서트. Coffee, 커피, 커피. Canada, 캐나다, 캐나다. Cup, 컵, 컵. Curtain, 커튼, 커튼. Camera, 카메라, 카메라. Card, Kadıl, kadıl. Computer, computer, computer. So, thank you so much for watching this video. We have covered some essential Korean words that start with K, but there could be more words too. And obviously, there are other words too that begin with the letter K. As I said, we have covered only the essential ones. So, if you can think of any other Korean words that begin with K, then please do share them in the comments below and let's make this list longer. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next letter in our series. Thank you.